And a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin hovered around the $70,000 mark during the Asian morning trade on Thursday, a slight drop following Tuesday's rally to as high as $71,400. BTC is currently priced at $69,430, around 1% lower over 24 hours. ETS is priced at $3,768, a decrease of just over 0.3% in the last 24 hours. BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF recorded over $290 million in inflows on Tuesday, its highest one-day figure since April 5th and nearly 3 times the previous high this month, $93 million on May 16th. As a whole, ETFs took on nearly $300 million in net inflows. Meanwhile, WisdomTree has been given the green light to list Bitcoin and Ether ETPs on the London Stock Exchange. The asset manager said it was among the first applicants to have its prospectus given the go-ahead by the FCA. The physical Bitcoin and physical Ethereum ETPs are expected to start trading on May 28th and will be available only to professional investors. Sentiment towards crypto, despite optimism over a spot Ether ETF, was still constrained by persistent concerns over US interest rates. Several Fed officials warned this week that the central bank needed more confidence that inflation was coming down before it could begin cutting interest rates. Broader altcoin prices also cooled as Bitcoin retreated, while traders remained largely biased towards Ether in the altcoin complex. Resilience in the dollar also limited any major upside in crypto. Solana slipped 1.6%, while XRP shed 2.3%. Among meme coins, DogeCoin and SHIB each lost 2.8%. The global crypto market cap is $2.58 trillion, a 0.89% decrease over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $98.6 billion, which makes a 20.22% decrease. The total volume in DeFi is currently $6.78 billion, 7% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $91.6 billion, which is 93% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 52.97%, a decrease of 0.12% over the day. Ethereum has experienced a 30% increase in price since Monday, reaching $4,000 for the first time in 70 days. This surge is attributed to the SEC's more favorable stance on spot Ether ETFs, increasing the likelihood of their approval to 75%. The SEC is facing a decision deadline this week concerning spot Ether ETFs, and while they are likely to approve the necessary 19B4S, they might delay the S1 registration statements, reflecting a hesitance in full engagement. Bloomberg analyst James Seyffert suggested ETF listing could be weeks away. At least 5 issuers, including major financial entities, have filed revised 19B4 applications aligning with the SEC's regulatory concerns. The anticipation of SEC approval has boosted the cryptocurrency market, with the ETH token currently trading at $3,758.98. A single trader managed 3 interconnected wallets initially purchased approximately 6.44 trillion tokens using only 0.041 ETH, equivalent to $83. The trader's approach was calculated, holding the entire balance without selling any as Pepe's value skyrocketed. Transactions fueled this massive rise were carried out on April 15, 2023 across 3 separate wallets under the control of a single individual. The first wallet initiated a transaction on Uniswap V3, exchanged $28 worth of ETH for roughly 2.14 trillion tokens, while the second and third wallet engaged in significant trades on the same platform, swapping $27 worth of ETH for approximately 2 trillion tokens and $26 for about 2 trillion tokens. Within a year, the value of Pepe tokens surged by 21,564 times. Gala Games' native token Gala has experienced a 20% increase in price in the last 24 hours following a major hack event. The incident led to the unauthorized minting and sale of 600 million tokens and a permanent locking of 4 billion tokens. To address this, Gala Games has proposed formalizing the burn of these tokens, including 600 million from the central Gala treasury. The token burn will permanently remove 5 billion Gala tokens from circulation. Gala's price has risen by 78% in the last 90 days, trading at an average of $0.047. Its 24-hour trading volume is down by 7% to $792 million, and its market cap stands at $1.68 billion. The proposal will commence the development of an upgraded contract, with the contract upgrade and token burn scheduled to be completed within 72 hours. WisdomTree has been approved by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority to list its physical Bitcoin and WisdomTree physical Ethereum exchange-traded products on the London Stock Exchange. The FCA approval removes investment barriers for the crypto ETPs industry and UK-based professional investors seeking exposure to the asset class. The ETPs will have a management expense ratio of 0.35%, one of the lowest fee levels for institutional-grade Bitcoin and Ethereum ETPs in Europe. However, crypto ETNs in the UK will only be available to professional investors due to the ban on retail access. A spokesperson for Crypto UK expressed satisfaction with the FCA's approval of some providers to list physically backed Bitcoin and Ether ETPs on the LSE, but emphasized the need for more crypto-related instruments available to both institutional and retail investors in the UK. Nasdaq Stock Market LLC has filed an updated 19B4 form for BlackRock's spot Ethereum exchange-traded fund, as other amended filings have started to appear. The filings come as exchanges were asked by the SEC to amend their 19B4Ss earlier this week. Form 19B4S are filed to inform the SEC about proposed rule changes and require the agency's approval before spot Ethereum ETFs can become effective. S1 registration statements still need to be effective before the funds can begin trading. Nasdaq's latest filing includes language similar to other amended 19B4S around staking and plans not to include it. The filing states that the trust sponsor, Ether custodian, and any other person associated with the trust will not engage in action where any portion of the trust's ETH becomes subject to Ethereum proof of stake validation or is used to earn additional ETH or generate income or other earnings. Cryptocurrencies have demonstrated resilience and integration into global financial systems, with the US's approval of the first spot Bitcoin ETFs in 2024 significantly increasing investor investments. The growing adoption of Bitcoin is evident in the increase in wallet addresses holding at least $1 worth of BTC. By May 2024, 84 million wallet addresses held at least $1 worth of BTC, representing around 1% of the world's 8.1 billion people. This increase is partly due to the significant rise in Bitcoin's price, which has gained over 66% in value since the beginning of the year. Factors driving Bitcoin investment include the ongoing market boom and bullish predictions about the fourth Bitcoin block reward halving. Cryptocurrency investors have been busy this week due to the SEC's sudden reverse in its stance on ETH ETF applications. This move has been in favor of investors, as BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, announced that they would have an ETF even if Ethereum was labeled as a security. The SEC has updated its ETF application, indicating ongoing discussions between the SEC and BlackRock. Potential issuers have been updating their files and removing the staking section that the SEC opposed. ETH ETFs have become approvable by the SEC, and the final decision dates for VanEck and ARK's applications are set to expire on May 23rd and 24th, while Grayscale's ETH deadline is May 30th. The SEC is likely to approve all applications at once, and interesting developments may occur in the next 48 hours. Shiba Inu whales have been accumulating digital currency, with data from Into the Block showing that large whale transactions occur at 73.72% within a 24-hour period. In total, 327 large transactions were recorded in 24 hours, setting SHIB on an ambitious growth course. In actual volume, 5.58 trillion SHIB was acquired by whales in 24 hours, worth $145.48 million. The attractiveness of Shiba Inu has continued to grow, with whale transactions tagged as those with a monetary value of at least $100,000. Open Campus and Education Protocol, supported by Animoca Brands, Sequoia Capital, and Binance, is set to own principal nodes for the EDU chain, allowing students, educators, and edtech companies to shape and own a significant part of the decentralized education ecosystem. The principal node sale will begin in two phases, a pre-sale and a public offering. In Individuals and organizations worldwide are invited to join the EDU chain, operate nodes, and play a significant role in the network while earning rewards. That's on this bulletin for now. This is Miruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.0TV. And for more information stories, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.